Hey, this is Nat, and we're off our couch in St. Augustine, Florida. And we're here exploring another reason why we love this Floridian northeastern city, the food truck scene. St. Augustine offers an impressive variety of cuisines and delicious offerings from these four-wheeled culinary machines. And today we're eating our way through two food truck parks because we have a point to prove, and we're hungry. And if you consider yourself a foodie or someone who just enjoys a good meal or snack, be sure to subscribe because discovering delicious, innovative foods is kind of one of our specialties. So on to the first stop, Village Garden Food Truck Park. This is a permanent food truck park open 7 days a week. There's a great deal of variety offered at this park, from poke bowls to barbecue. Choices abound here, and today we're discovering the varied selections offered at Cucina, Colorado. Cucina, Colorado is a food truck inspired by the flavors of the Philippines and the great state of Colorado. The food truck is owned by Chef Lily and Chef Travis, and the menu is a blend of both of their backgrounds, passions, and expertise. I love the variety offered on this menu, and it's hard to choose, but I'm having the tacos, 2 tacos, 1 shrimp, and 1 beef at $3 a piece. It's hard to see the shrimp or the beef with this mountain of veggies, isn't it? The tortilla isn't quite strong enough for all the leafy, bright green veggies and tasty red tomatoes spilling out. Wow, it just looks so fresh. And I'm going to open up the tacos so you can actually see the meat too. And biting into these tacos, the way it looks is the way it tastes. Fresh, crunchy, well seasoned. And for the price, I am more than getting my money's worth. It's an ample amount of meat and heavy on all the vegetables. And I also have lumpia at $1.75 a piece. If there's ever an opportunity to grab some lumpia, I get it because you just can't get it anywhere and it's so good. We love how thick and long the lumpia is here at Cucina, Colorado. And it tastes great whether you choose to dip it in sauce or just enjoy it as is. And my husband London has the pancit. Again, another item you just can't order anywhere. So glad to see this on the menu. Priced at $10, and it is delicious. Plus it comes with lumpia, so it's definitely a tasty and complete meal. And I should mention, we've also had the cheesesteak here before at Cucina, Colorado. And that was great too. So there's a lot of wonderful food to be had here. You should definitely check it out. Beside Cucina, Colorado is La Macaron French Pastries. The pastry shop with locations across the United States is where you can pick up brightly colored, tasty macarons to snack on at any time. There are other La Macaron locations in St. Augustine. We visited the one on George Street and our Great Places to Snack Part 2 video. The link to that video is in the description box. I think it's really nice and convenient though that you can just park at the Village Garden Food Truck Park and with just a few steps order your tasty treats. Right next door is Riptide Bbq, and if you're looking for a barbecue fix, then this is where you come. The menu consists of slow smoked meats, specially made barbecue sauces, and tasty sides. I'm really looking forward to trying the loaded fries. Definitely sounds like something we'd enjoy. And coming soon is the Little Sombrero, a Mexican street food truck specializing in queso tacos and birria tacos. We're always up for trying something new, so we're looking forward to this new addition. So let's say you're on the go, but you want to eat healthy. Not a problem at Big Island Bowls. This food truck, inspired by the foods of Hawaii, offers healthy sandwich wraps, fresh poke bowls, acai fruit bowls, and smoothies. And look how colorful and beautiful they are. Too stunning to eat. Well, no, that's never true really, but you get my point. Almost too beautiful to eat. Also at the Village Garden Food Truck Park is Good Karma Cafe. Good Karma serves the best locally sourced coffee, along with an enticing variety of special coffees and other drinks. Perk up and fill up at the Village Garden Food Truck. There's enough variety here to pretty much please every taste bud. Plus there are games to enjoy and plenty of seating. Enough comfort to enjoy a full afternoon or evening. So one food truck park explored and one more food truck park to go. But still plenty more eating and tasting left because there are 3 awesome food trucks here at Marina Munch. Marina Munch has anchor trucks as well as guest trucks. Their schedule can be found on their Facebook and Instagram page. Today, though, there are 3 food trucks: Uptown Scratch Kitchen, Funkadelic, and Arepa Life. And we're going to try all 3. In addition to the awesome food trucks here, there's also this view of the San Sebastian River. Gorgeous, huh? So we're going to grab some different dishes while enjoying this magnificent view, starting with Uptown Scratch Kitchen. Uptown Scratch Kitchen produces fresh American cuisine with a twist. But instead of me trying to describe it, how about I just show you? So we have St. Augustine Tacos with a side of garlic rosemary fries for $13. So there is shrimp, lettuce, pineapple corn salsa, and their house sauce. London and I love the fresh tropical flavors of the pineapple corn salsa. It's so different, and the taco overall is delicious and light too. A fresh twist on a favorite. And let's take a closer look at these rosemary garlic fries. So you can purchase these as a side for $5, and these are just phenomenal. We love the taste, we love the presentation, and look at these large chunks of garlic within these fries. This is a first for us, a delightful first. These fries are just superb. We love the fries so much we decided to try another side, hand-battered onion rings. These rings are huge, heavily battered, well-seasoned, and shareable. Definitely, even without an entree, I couldn't eat them all. The same with the garlic rosemary fries. So waddling over now to Funkadelic Food Truck to try the lump crab grilled cheese at $13. I've had quite a few grilled cheese sandwiches in my day, but nothing like this. Lump crab, caramelized onion, provolone, goat cheese, and house-made pepper jelly. And you can choose to funk it up and add additional ingredients, but we're not adding any extra funk today, just going with the normal funkiness this time. And wow, this grilled cheese sandwich has a kick. I'm assuming it's from the pepper jelly sauce. That seems obvious to me. It's a burst of spiciness. It's not long lasting though. So each time I bite into it, I'm getting that swift kick of spice and a strong kick of flavor too. It's really good, so unique, so flavorful, and too much funk for me to consume in one sitting. This can be lunch or dinner for 2 people. It can be. I'm not telling you that it has to be, because honestly, you probably wouldn't want to share. I personally rather save my leftovers for the next day. But hey, that's just me. I can be greedy sometimes. Speaking of greed, one more food truck to try, Arepa Life. Arepa Life specializes in Venezuelan street food with a nutritional value. 2 things I can definitely appreciate. So we're having a lamb arepa priced at $8. And this is my first time having an arepa, so I'm really curious. My husband London is excited because he loves these, so I'm taking his word that they're good. And again, he is correct. I like it. The meat is tender and juicy, and all the additional ingredients just add to the flavor and fulfillment. We are officially full now, and just one stop at either of these food truck locations will grant you a bevy of choices, leading to a full stomach as well. We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we have enjoyed eating at the various food trucks and filming in between bites. And we're really looking forward to checking out more food truck parks and hopefully more food truck festivals coming this summer. So if that's something you're interested in, please hit the like button, let us know. And good news, we are in South Florida filming, so here's a preview of what's going to be coming up. So you don't want to miss the variety and fun adventures coming your way, so be sure to subscribe. Again, thank you to all of our subscribers. Thanks for getting off the couch with us and sharing your adventures and experiences with us in the comments. Until next week, click on one of the videos to see another one of our experiences, and thanks for watching.